I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn adding two-digit numbers together, step by step. To add two big numbers, we add the tens together and the ones together. Then we put the two parts back into one number. Tens with tens, ones with ones. Adding 10 is easy. Just add one more 10. 34 plus 10 gives 4 tens and 4 ones. That is 44. The ones stay the same. Now add 23 plus 14. Add the tens. 20 plus 10 is 30. Add the ones. 3 plus 4 is 7. 30 and 7 make 37. Let us try 42 plus 25. Tens first. 40 plus 20 is 60. Ones next. 2 plus 5 is 7. 60 and 7 make 67. Nice work. So add the tens together and the ones together, then join the two parts to get your answer. Big numbers are not scary anymore. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.